If I am asked to design a school, it must be situated in the heart of the nature, among the beautiful flowers, trees, and ponds. It must be free from books, tests, assignments, exams, attendance. The uniform of my school will be the uniformity of the thoughts. The teachers in the school will be the people with whom we interact in our day-to-day lives. It could be from our family, society, shopkeepers from where we purchase goods, businessmen, and politicians too. We shall learn from their lives so that we shall be able to face their situations in a better manner. Students shall learn practical things like how to behave in public, with friends, with family, singing, dancing, skill development, writing, swimming, bungee jumping, paragliding. How to live life and let others live. How to make others feel happy and feeling happy. No place of stress, no physical boundaries. Everyone in the school will learn to experiment new things, new ventures, dealing with unknown problems, meeting with surprises, and the art of facing failure. Instead of running behind the success, students shall learn all the possible ways of failure. We shall read about all the religions in the world and visit all the beautiful places to enhance the knowledge of geographical, demographical, and the cultural uniqueness of these places and people living all over the world. This whole world is a school. Every moment teaches us. Everyone teaches us. So why should we fix the learning hours? So let's make it a virtual school. Cool now?